Imagine creating 30 social media graphics in the snap of your fingers. That's enough content to keep your feed sizzling for a whole month. I'm going to show you how in this Canva tutorial. Get ready to be bedazzled. I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help businesses grow using video and social media design with ease. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more of these tutorials. You can now create 30 social media posts or more in just minutes, not hours, with Canva Magic Write and Canva Bulk Create. This is not only possible, but it's also incredibly easy, I promise you. You will need a paid Canva account for this. If you don't have one, click on the link in the description to get Canva Pro free for 45 days and try it out for yourself. All right, let's get straight into the tutorial in Canva. So we're going to start by opening up a Canva doc. So if you can see it in this section here, select that. Otherwise, search for doc in the search bar and you'll see doc here and it's this little icon. You want to select that one. We're going to create a blank doc for the purposes of this demonstration. And now what we want to do is we want to select the plus icon here and we're going to select Magic Write. You'll see it come up. If you don't see it, just start typing Magic Write. And here's where we're going to tell Canva and ChatGPT that I want it to create the content for 30 social media posts. So here's a prompt that I'm using, which I find pretty good. And I'm going to then select generate and let Canva do its thing. So now I've got 30 motivational tips here as I've requested. Please make sure that you go through the text, edit it, make it your own, but you've got the foundation of text to help you get started, which is a really great starting point. Now, what we want to do is once you've gone through and edited it, added your own voice, tone, and little sassy bits of content pieces that makes it you, I want you to select all of the content and I want you to open up a Google Sheet or an Excel document and I want you to paste the content. Now that we've got it in this format, we're going to go to File and we're going to go to Download and download it as this .csv file. So now I'm going to go back to the Canva homepage and find some social media posts templates that I can add my content to. So I'm going to have a look at this Instagram post, the square size, and have a look at some templates that I think may work. So have a bit of a browse. And I quite like the look of this one. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to select customize this template. Now, once you have your design open, you can go to apps and then we can search for bulk create. And you'll see it here and select that. We have the option to enter the data manually. So you can copy and paste it from wherever you have it into here. I'm going to select upload CSV file, which is what we downloaded just before, and select that from my computer. And now I need to click on the design, in particular, the element that I want that data to be entered. So because I've got motivational quotes, this is the text section here. And what I want to do is click on more and go connect data. So I want to tell Canva that this is where I want to add all of the content that it's generated. So I'm going to select connect data and then it will allow me to add this text here. So I'm going to remove this Happy Valentine's Day, but now I have selected this, I'm going to select continue and I can see all of those posts that I have there. So I'm going to go generate pages. And then just like that, I've got all of these social media posts with all of those quotes that it generated all in one go. So that just took minutes as opposed to manually doing each one or duplicating each one and doing it over and over again. Now you can go into each design, you can change the background, add extra images to customize each one, but that's how easy it is to bulk create all of your social media content in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please hit the like button for me. And let me know in the comment section below what other Canva training you'd like to learn about. I love making these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out my Canva playlist for more of these tutorials? Or if you're struggling to come up with what to say in your YouTube videos, you'll definitely want my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you come up with content for your videos that grab your viewers' attention and increases your YouTube watch time. You can check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.